A tree's wisdom in silence. Have you ever just stood with a tree? Have you ever just sat there and noticed that it doesn't rush, it doesn't compete, it simply grows quietly, deeply. Its strength is in stillness. You don't have to always do. Sometimes the most spiritual thing that you can be is just to be rooted, right? Present and alive. Just know that the earth will hold you if you let it. Today, I want you to be like the tree. I want you to grow in stillness. So if you ever have any doubt, worry, stress in your life, go in nature and sit with a tree. Observe. The tree is alive, it grows, it flourishes. It does a lot of amazing things just in stillness. I want you to do the same. I want you to grow deeply in stillness. So take a moment, and if you're not able to go in nature, sit in a quiet place and practice 5 minutes of stillness. Just sit there quietly. I hope this video helps you. Comment, like, and subscribe.